unboxing video on my laptop, which means that I'm definitely gonna post what I recorded for this video. Alright, let me just move some stuff so I can unbox on the table instead of on this. Alright, so let me go get my stand. I'm so excited, guys. You don't even know. So, you don't even know how excited I am. Like, honestly, I've wanted a Apple laptop since forever. And I finally have one. Take two, because I accidentally pressed the off button on my phone. That's how smart I am. Alright, first let me plug in my phone. Alright. Alright. So, I have, which means I'm definitely going to be posting, so this video means that the other video is going to get posted, because it's an explanation. So, after I finish filming that other video before this one, that I hope I post, 20 minutes, 30 minutes later, there was a delivery at the door. Honestly, it was kind of disrespectful delivery, because he literally dropped it on the ground when the box says, nothing about being fragile, but the box says it has, you know, batteries in it. You'd think you'd be more careful. Fucking moron. Whatever. This is, yeah, I hope you guys can't see my address. I'll just blur that out. Yeah, so you'd think you'd be more careful, but apparently not. Anyway, so what was in that box was my MacBook Pro. And you can see it says MacBook Pro backwards, but this is my MacBook Pro. So I decided to do an unboxing video, which means that I have to put the camera down. Alright, you're just not going to be able to see my face. It's better for you. Alright, here we go. So the lid has been removed. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Alright. Oh, okay. It's really small, which is amazing. And these are my chargers, I guess. Let me use that so I can sit this beautiful thing down. So excited. Okay. Honestly, you guys don't even know how long I've wanted an Apple laptop. I've wanted a laptop since I was like a kid, but like an Apple laptop is like the dream. Alright? It is a dream come true. So, and then I have the, you know, big old block. Alright, so I'm gonna start by opening it. Beautiful. Alright. Honestly, you know, I'd be sad if I dropped it, and I wouldn't be surprised if I did. Alright, so I'm gonna put the box on the floor. There it is. Alright. Look at that. Look at that gorgeous. Okay, hold on. See, I thought that I ordered the one, this is what it looks like. I thought I had ordered the one with the touch bar, but apparently not. So it's cool. But I mean, kind of wanted the one with the touch bar, but it's cool. And I'm removing the sheets. Well, I should have done that in front of you. So here's what it looks like. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Alright. So, that's what it looks like. It's the MacBook Pro. I dropped it. What a moron. Alright. I dropped it. You know, the big block. This is a 13-inch MacBook Pro with a 13.3-inch diagonal retina LED backlight display. Honestly, I'm just going to tell you. Honestly, when I see new technology, I'm going to... It's just like... Boot up! Alright, so honestly, about me is... Here's something about me. When new technology, I love new technology. Honestly, honestly, I love new technology. Cameras, I just find them, like, so fascinating. Like, they're just so fascinating. Like, I just think they're so beautiful to me. Like, when I see cameras, like, I mean, just, like, I know my camera looks shitty because My camera looks because I cracked it. How does a girl crack their screen on their camera? I still don't fucking know. It was wrapped. Yeah, I know, Milo. I dropped the batteries. I know. I'm talking my dog, sorry. Okay. Honestly, like, when I see, like, cameras and stuff, phones, it's talking. When I see cameras, phones, you know, like the iPhone X, I think it's beautiful. The iPhone XR, I think they're beautiful. Like, it sounds weird, like, oh, she's attracted to phone, she's attracted to electronics, to technology. Like, no, I think that shit's beautiful. Like, you don't even know. Like, this camera, like, I think it's kind of beautiful. It's kind of cracked. It is cracked. You probably can't see those cracks, but it's, like, cracked right in the, hold on. You probably, I don't know if you can see those cracks now. Oh, no, you can't see anything. Anyway, like, when I think cameras are beautiful. Period. At me if you want. Shit. Hold on, I gotta get my password. The Wi-Fi. So, honestly, what if this is a dream? Because this was supposed to come on June 6th, and I was not trying to wait for that. Like, I've honestly been... Whew, okay, so let me type in the Wi-Fi code. So yeah, so I just think technology is beautiful. Like, the iPhone X, I think it's beautiful. I think the camera on it is amazing. I don't have an iPhone X. I wish I did. It's like a dream that I wish I did, but I don't. I have an iPhone 6. Honestly, I used to have a shitty phone, a really crappy phone before I got my iPhone X. I used to have a really crappy phone before my iPhone X, and, what? No, sorry. I used to have a really crappy phone before my iPhone 6, and honestly, at the time, I really wanted an iPhone 6 because it still has, still has an aux cord with it, aux plug. And, it still has 2 ports or whatever, so I really wanted the iPhone 6. But, like, now my phone is running really, really slow. This is really not fascinating to you, but kind of a tech nerd. Can't deny it. Let's see. Transfer information. Alright. Alright. So happy. Honestly, when I opened the door and I saw what it was, I said, sorry, Milo. I got really excited. I am really excited. You can see the smile on my face. I'm really excited. I keep repeating it. I think technology is beautiful. Why do I keep repeating it? I don't know. So I'm just doing the thing. This isn't like a tutorial on how to set your laptop up, because shoot, that's not what this is. So, my MacBook came. You know what that means? iMovie! After I finish doing this. Alright. So, I don't know what else to talk about. I kind of just wanted to make this an unboxing video. Yeah. Even though I took it out the box. It just didn't come out. Alright, so all the instructions should probably be here then. Honestly, I still think it's a little disrespectful that he just kind of like just dropped it on the ground. I really thought this one was the touch bar one, because that's the one I thought I ordered on accident. But I mean, I kind of wanted the touch bar one, but I mean, I'm still happy. I ain't gonna lie. Even though I'm the one who placed the order with his credit card, of his knowledge, obviously. But I thought I ordered the wrong one, because I'm the one who doesn't do online purchases. Why? that's for another time. That's story for another time. Honestly. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for it to load. Also, my Wi-Fi is very slow, that's probably why. Sorry. So I'm just gonna pull this box. Ooh, it's nice and shiny. Excuse me. And I got smudges on it. So, actually, while it loads, I actually got my Apple Watch Series 3 Apple Watch a few days ago. Not a few days, last week. May 23rd, 2019, and I love it, honestly. I like getting alerts that I need to get my ass up off the bed and walk around. I love my Apple Watch, honestly. I feel like a whole Apple family, but all I need to complete that Apple family is some AirPods, which I don't have, because I need $83. So if you want to cash at me $83, go on ahead. Not that the AirPods cost $83. I have, yeah. It's taking a while to load. Shoot, might as well end this video right now. I knew it was gonna take a while, but I mean, it's so beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm so excited to get a case for it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, this isn't as small as I expected, I think it's like the size of this, so I have a Chromebook, it's not mine, it's my mom's. Oh, it's about the size of a Chromebook, but I think the Chromebook is smaller. Yeah, I think Chromebook is a little bit smaller. I just closed it, which is starting my phone. Hold on. Looking for source. Oh, I'm not doing this right. Duh. For a tech whiz, you sure don't know what you're doing. Not saying I'm a tech whiz, but I'm also just saying that. Okay, so let me explain why I keep calling myself. I'm not a tech whiz, trust me. I just use context for this. So I'm actually going to, I live in Texas, so I'm going to be attending Stephen F. Austin University, which is in Nacogdoches, it's not in Austin, which is up in the Panhandle, and I'm going to be attending and I'm going to be majoring in computer science and minoring in psychology. So, oh, I sound smart then. Oh, I can't type and talk at the same time. Alright. Alright. Oh, okay. I did it wrong. Alright, so I should be getting a text message, which means that I'm going to have to stop this video so I can get the text message. Alright, when I realized is that I can just check the alert on my watch, which I just talked about. I think I'm going to use see, the one thing I don't like about, what? Are you serious? Alright, so, what I just realized, which I realized this before, but I mean, what I don't like about, Apple computers, a little thing about, that I don't like about Apple computers is that they don't have, USB plugs, and most computers don't have, well, it doesn't have a USB plug anywhere, which means I'd have to get an add-on for that, which is great. Some computers don't have CD-ROMs anymore, because people don't use CD-ROMs anymore, apparently. Ooh, it's a soccer ball. Defaults. Ooh. Yeah, but I'm not good at using, mouse pads. I don't use mouse pads. I use mouses. I don't use mouse pads. Because, honestly, for the Chromebook, it's, the weirdest thing. Maybe I'll do a maybe this will be a technology type YouTube channel. I hope not, but maybe it will. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to choose the lightning bolt. Alright. I know it sounds like really hard, like tapping. Some great ASMR right there. I feel like I'm gonna break the keys. But I mean, they're so like. Actually, that's really crazy. What I was saying about the Chromebook is that the Chromebook has like a weird like mouse pad, so nobody's gonna watch this video. It's so boring. Like, what am I doing? This is like a weird, like one of those technology videos that I watch very rarely. Like, not even. I'd rather figure it out on my own than watch the videos. Be like, so this is how you set up your air. Wait. Oh no. Let's do it. Okay. Set up. Okay. Alright. So this is how you set up your AirPods. So what you do is you open your phone, you go to General. This is an actual video because I just told you I don't have AirPods and I don't know how to do that. So this is how you set up your AirPods. So you do this and this. You go into your General, you go into your settings. You open your phone, you go into your settings, and then you click General in your settings, and then you click whatever. Like, I don't watch those videos. I'd rather just use my context clues and figure it out on my own. Like, honestly, I got some off-brand AirPods, and like normally when it comes down to technology, I figure it out on my own. You know, it's that easy. I just figure it out on my own. And I'd be like this. Ooh, do you want light or dark? Chicken. I think I want dark. Chicken. I think I'm gonna do dark because I'm a dark gal. Crap, what was I saying? I watched this episode before. Sorry. The Cleveland show so this is how you set up your AirPods. You do this, and I don't watch those videos. Like, they're kind of boring. Not gonna lie, they're kind of boring. It's set up! Okay. So, I'm going to show you what my home screen looks like. Oh, the battery's almost dead. Not almost dead, but like, guess we'll find out. Alright, so, wait. Maybe smart. There it is, 28%. Sounds like my phone. Alright, so this is the MacBook Pro. Smells good. Why did I smell it? I don't know. Alright, hold on. So this is the MacBook Pro. It's all set up now. And the first thing I'm gonna do is, I don't know. And as you can see, we have all that on it. It has all this. Safari. Launchpad. Wait, did I say Launchpad? Launchpad. Message, friends, finder. Okay. There it is. This is all my stuff. This is the MacBook Pro. 13-inch, 13.3. I'll read it up. This is computer nerds. One more. As I said, 13.3-inch Retina display, LED display. Let me put the top on. Oh, it has like a little cloth. It's not like cloth, like microfiber cloth. Little nerd type job. Okay. I'm sorry, my mouth is really foamy. So this is a 13.3 Retina display, LED Retina display, 2.3 gigahertz dual core Intel processor, 8 gigabytes. Honestly, FaceTime HD camera. Ooh. Pre-installed Mac OS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, headphone jack, open actual one. Stereo speakers, backlit keyboard with ambient light sensor. I like that. So honestly, when I first read the Retina display, like I looked at it and I was really trying to figure out when it was gonna come. And so when I looked at it, I was like, Retina display, does that mean like, oh, I have the camera, which I shouldn't know. I was like, ooh, is it gonna be like when I saw it, I was like, ooh, does that mean like it's gonna skin my eye, you know? Technology's booming, you know? And then I looked it up, and I was like, Retina display, what's that? And then I realized that it's the screen, you know? Which makes sense, but like also I was thinking like Retina displays like scan your eye instead of typing in a password. I mean, if you can do the thumb thing, the thumb thing, you know, chicken! If you can do like the, you know, the thumb keypad thing, then I mean, why can't you do the Retina display? Okay, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching me unbox this beautiful, really beautiful laptop, honestly. Like and subscribe. Will I do more technology unboxing videos? Maybe when I get myself some AirPods, which I hope is soon. And maybe when I get this case for this laptop, because I'm a moron who drops things all the time. I just got out of an OtterBox case because, honestly, in that OtterBox case, I drop it all the time on purpose. You know why? Because it's an OtterBox case. Alright, like and subscribe. Tweet me on Twitter. Like and subscribe, tweet me on Twitter, @ me, follow me on Instagram. All the links will be not down below, but they'll be on my channel. And make sure you like, which ensures that you like and subscribe, which ensures that you subscribe. Hey, this is my first YouTube video. The other one was just about, I don't even know, I haven't even watched it. I filmed it, didn't watch it. There's some other ones that I haven't uploaded that I forgot to upload. But there, I mean, yeah. Chicken! Chicken!